How to fix Enter Network Credential error on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Services on your device. In Services, scroll down and search for Credential Manager and double-click on Credential Manager. After you've done that, it will open this page. In here, in Startup type, make sure it's disabled and Service Status Stop. After you've clicked on Stop at the bottom, press on Apply and then press on OK. After you've done that, simply restart your device. After you've restarted your device, your issue will be solved. And this is how to fix Enter Network Credential error on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.